Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to present my second project, which is a car showroom. So before moving to my concept, I have decided to choose Toyota as my car brand, considering its price and also the model that is quite evergreen, even though they have innovated the designs and models until now. Hence, taking its tagline, let's go places, leading through innovation, enriching humans' life, and connecting with people in new ways that they define. It is considered as energetic, inspirational, inclusive, and very versatile, where the phrase conveys a dual meaning of physically going places and taking off an adventure, while also promising an exciting innovation that enriches people's life through wellness of the designs. It allows everyone to interpret the phrases in a way that they are most personally relevant to them. Hence, let's go places phrases, emphasizing the thrill of innovation for a better way to live and drive for the people. Hence, taking inspiration from the tagline itself, I came with intermingle spaces design concept which basically promote togetherness and blending together in one space in order to enhance the communication skills and mutual interaction between the workers and customers in the showroom itself. Well, the aim is to provide an active spaces that could help to promote wellness as in positive attitude and also healthy living. The objective of the design spaces is to gather the workers and the customers to socialize, having communication within each other, and also this they could move forward together. As we know that today the workers could feel stress even though at their own workplace, and this would decrease the efficiency of the workers and could affect the customers as well. In order to create a functional spaces that is suitable for both sides, implementations of economical materials were used to make the spaces for much more comfortable to everyone. So basically, my building would have three main spaces, which is a showroom, service center, and the service area, where showroom and the service center is considered as the public spaces and can be accessed by all public people with buy and sell activities, while the service area is considered as a private spaces, and it is only accessible for the co-workers, and all entries can only be accessed via a registered card. As the courtyard that is placed at the center in the between of every spaces, it is considered as the main highlight public space that could attract all co-workers and customers to have relations and communications to achieve the main goals of the designs. In response to the green and sustainable designs, I intended to have spaces that maximize an efficient use of the spaces itself and use energy-wise constructions and design materials, reduce waste by using reclaimed or recycled materials. I would explain on this later, and plan for energy efficient lighting. So basically, this is the first part of my board. And the second one would be the floor plan for both level, where the ground level consists much more public spaces, which is easier for customer to access. And then as for the first level would be much more privacy, much more private, where it consists administrations and offices just for the co-workers only. This is the front. This is the elevations and sections with the scale of 1 to 100 of the building. And this one would be the perspective from and into the building itself, and the sectional perspective is at the bottom part of this board. This one would be the detailed drawing of the components within the buildings with the scale of 1 to 20. And the bottom part would be the section uh, with scale 1 to 20 also, and it is much more bigger than the previous sections that I have shown. And the last board would consist exploded axonometric drawing, with schematic diagrams from electrical supplies, sanitary and sewerage, and also the water supply. As for this board, I also insert the sustainable and the green design part, which I wanted to explain for the plan for energy efficient lighting. The interior design will incorporate windows and skylight to maximize the use of the daylight and minimize the artificial light. As we can see, my showroom would consist a huge curtain wall to appreciate the natural lighting by allows penetrations of daylight through windows to save electrical usage. And by materials, uh, I have planned to reduce waste by using reclaim or recycle materials. As examples, sinks and counters can be made from the recycled items or recycled materials itself. I guess that's all. Thank you.